We're at Duffy right now, Duffy Electric Boats in Newport Beach, California. We just became the official service provider of Duffy and Marina Del Rey. And we're here for the meeting with the CEO, another gentleman, and discuss marketing, business opportunities, and see what we got and give them some hoodies. Let's see how it goes.
All your stories is every day, and you're never on land, bro. Good to see you.
No, it's all good, bud. Just as long as you guys can rock and roll the hoodies.
Not in the office, but
Yeah,
daily life, 100%.
That's what I'm saying, dude. I'm a satisfied customer. Yeah, he's pimping.
I'm big pimping.
As long as you're rocking on your Duffy, you'd be looking good. Going to Bonnaroo and then hitting your Duffy, and life is good.
Pretty light 5 a.m.
Yeah, it's all good. Well, I was messaging with Don. And
Yeah.
I was gonna meet him at 1:30, but
Pretty
was surprised
stuff,
that
so-
fixed it.
Yeah,
But it was
they're easy to fix if you're electrically, you know what you're doing. But like, yeah.
There's some type of limit switch or whatever's inside of that is what there was a problem. Like obviously you could tell something wasn't clicking properly when you engage it full forward or reverse. And then how the wheel would just go, and I was like, whoa. It almost like ripped your arm off.
That's crazy.
But it's all good now.
Yeah, it's not very common. But
Now they can get their legal charter business back on. 4 in the morning.
oh, dude.
Oh, my bilge pump's gone. You're like, what, dude? Like,
I used to sell, so I've only been in this business for maybe about, this is my 3rd month.
okay.
But I used to sell Ferraris. So
Yeah?
right up the road. So I know what you mean. Like, your customers, it'll be like July 4th, you know, you're in the middle of a party, and they're texting, you know, I can't get my car is not unlocking, or, you know.
dude.
Exactly. Like, we're not on call, like, not even doctors are on call like that. You know, they expect you to be like, they're like, you can try to get a hold of your doctor, and he's not going to call you back.
Yeah, exactly.
Why would I? You know?
Don was telling me the story about the wild goose and everything.
Oh, this is John Wayne's boat.
Yeah, and then also how Mr. Duffy, who when he was 19, all his friends had power boats. He only had a rowboat. So he went and stole the golf cart motor and the batteries from his neighbor, and the neighbor was John Wayne.
Oh shit, I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
you told me that story when we were sitting here. I was like, man, that's cool.
This is, you've seen all this, right?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
showed you all that? That's our Duffy Care, you know? I mean, our Duffy Care boats are running up and down the marina.
I don't know the exact number. It's 5,000 or 5,500 or something like that. What's up, bud? I can drive that.
So 200 tons, what does that get you? How big of a boat does that get you?
180 feet.
180 feet?
Yeah. Like this right here is probably the 60-foot azimuth. That's probably 60 tons.
Like let's say the Wild Goose.
Yeah. I don't
What do
know
you
about
think
that
that is?
because that thing's wood, so I have no idea.
Oh,
That thing could be like 500 tons, all waterlogged out.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like.
Okay.
We can drive it though. That thing's got no thrusters though. Those guys were badass driving those things in World War II. That's
Yeah.
that's a mine boat. Like looking for mines in World War II. That's why it's made out of wood.
Oh, just like Godzilla. You see the Godzilla?
The new one?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, they're out on a wood boat. That's their job, is to get rid of all the mines. So they have to take this like crickety old like wood boat because you don't want the mines to be attracted to the steel.
Yeah, exactly. Dude.
So all right.
That's right.
This is the sales office.
Hold up. This is what I wanted to see too. How this motor, because this is proprietary. The one that I have, and I was talking to a few other people, because it's 2000 to 2005. Super simple to work on because it's got that actual motor out of a golf cart.
Yeah.
It's like $600 and changing the batteries. I've had not one issue with it at all.
I don't think that the motor is any different, you know.
Well, it's,
but this whole
this
the
is
drive
horiz-
system.
It's vertical and mine's horizontal.
Oh right, it spins this way. And you got the little.
But I wanted, because I was looking at one of these when I just did the service work. I just did the warranty claim, and I just wanted to see what it looked like under the water. You know what I'm saying? It's badass though.
It makes a big difference, you know.
Oh, the thing hauls ass. The one I fixed was a Sun Cruiser.
Well, does it make a big difference in the speed? I mean, going from 5 to 6 miles an hour to me is not that big of a difference.
No, I got
But
it.
the maneuverability, you know, getting in and out of that slit, you know, it
Yeah.
just makes it That I mean, you can do 360s. You can do donuts in these.
What's that at?
See, these are the commercial boats. Kind of a little bit more stripped down. Like you don't. Like this is our demo. This is the 20 MC. This is a random boat. You ever seen it? This is a hard nut 20.
Yeah, this is a different style.
Hop in there. So this is it's got a different hole.
I just saw one of these with the captain in the middle the other day.
Yeah, center steering. So it's some people like it, some people don't.
I know it kind of trips me out because then there's like
You got people behind you.
behind you.
You're kind of in the middle of everything, but yet you're still separated because you got your back to everybody.
Yeah.
But if this runs on all lithium batteries, you got cool little things like drink dispensers. You've got an ice maker.
Oh wait, you can hook like Coca-Cola and stuff up to that? Or
No,
alcohol, or-
like tequila and vodka.
Yeah.
Like the Long Island iced tea.
No, I got
right
you.
there,
That's
know?
fucking dangerous.
You don't grab that. I mean, when you see we're talking about drinking, I mean, I've heard stories of people like, cheers to the Coast Guard, cheers to the sheriff.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Well, those bloopers are insane. That's good TV. That's good. All right. Another day, another dollar. Let me get my satchel of goodies. Look at that. We got another Duffy we got to fix today. It's got a horn problem. So we're going to come down here and test it, see if it's getting voltage, see what the problem is, help this guy out. Because we are the official service provider for Duffy in Marina Del Rey, California. Check them out. Duffy Boats. They're electric. They've been around since 1972. And we own a Duffy, and they are the shit for just cruising. Instagram and all that stuff.
Hell yeah.
Where's your Duff at?
Right over there.
What is this? This is like the
Partly
Duffy
covered.
side, bro.
Yeah, it is.
I just fixed those two Duffy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, because he was telling me that he had a problem with batteries or something like that.
Well, dude, then I traced. He didn't want me to, because he was getting cheap and didn't want to spend like the $160 to diagnose. That's the Duffy fee, bro. It's like baby money.
Jeez.
So I'm like, all right, I'll just test your batteries. He's gonna switch them all out, and I found that 2 were bad, so we only had to switch out 2.
Oh, nice.
Otherwise, he would have switched out 16.
Yeah, all of them. Jeez.
So that $170 saved him
Yeah,
$2 grand, $3 grand,
Yeah.
$4 grand, whatever those batteries cost. Walter. Hey, how you doing? Fixing more Duffys.
Oh, really?
More Duffy issues.
That's nice.
No doubt.
The longest time I didn't have one, but we didn't have one.
Oh no, but it ruins the windows.
Yeah.
And then the thing looks all jank. So, the Hive, $18 smoothie. I love
Yeah,
that.
you know it.
Best $18.
So you're from the Dirty Jersey, bro?
Yes, sir.
I was born in Connecticut. So
Oh,
we-
nice.
We call that the armpit in New York. Connecticut.
Yes,
and
yes.
Jersey.
I'm familiar.
I've been to Bada Bang, dude.
Yeah. Maria loves the bottom
I love the Sopranos.
Well, yeah. What the hell? What's it called? The Satin Doll on 287, dude.
I don't
Oh,
know
shit,
what
yeah,
that
yeah.
Yeah, it's some shithole. The strip club from
Classic.
Sopranos.
Nice.
So what's the deal? The horn is not
The
working.
horn does not blow.
Where's the horn located on this?
Up here. And then the wire runs all the way down.
Wait.
Nothing. But see, that's what's weird. Is I got juice on everything else.
Yeah, everything else works.
Well, this auxiliary. Why does the light not come on this?
That never came on. That's what I was thinking too. Because I like.
What year is this
relatively
thing?
handy. 2021.
Okay, so it's out of warranty.
Yeah.
Oh, you have the good controller though. I just replaced the controller on his because they couldn't get controllers during COVID, and I'm like getting used to this, or we are as a crew.
Yep.
Because dude, I legit called them for keys for my Duffy, and I was like, "Do you guys have like a service provider yet?" And they're like, "No." So then we had a meeting. We just met with the CEO and stuff. Like, there's 3,200 Duffys in Newport because of the, you have your private dock.
Yep.
But they're the best to have for like cruising around.
Yeah,
so
I
if
know,
we have a
we love
Duffy, a speedboat, and a big
Yeah,
boat.
no,
Everyone serves its
Yeah,
purpose.
exactly.
But so yeah, they couldn't get the controllers, or they were using a different company during COVID, so those controllers were faulty.
Gotcha.
Some of them, but this is the good one. Oh, the horn is just right there.
Yeah.
All
So I
right.
went down and I bought another horn. Another
Here, let's
drop-in
just put-
horn.
we'll just
and
put-
then this one didn't work either, so it's got to be the switch or it's got to be the wire.
We'll just
Or maybe
put-
the fuse.
We can just put 12 volts to it, on each prong,
Sure.
and like legit just see.
All right.
Where's where are the wires coming back to?
goes under here and then all the way up
But
top.
where is
on
it coming
this.
from the battery?
Oh.
Or is this coming off? I think this is coming off.
This is
the
coming
panel.
off in here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
If you take that whole, you gotta unscrew that.
Yeah,
fuse
this
panel.
thing.
One of them
Oh yeah.
Now we're good. We're not gonna get shocked yet.
No.
Soon enough, we'll light up like Tim
Fine.
Allen like a Christmas tree. Hit it. Nothing.
You gotta switch.
Yeah, it's a switch. It's fucked. Cool.
Gotta get a switch.
Like I said, we could put 12 volt to this with like a pigtail, but I think it'd be fine. Those rocker switches go bad, dude.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But we could jump the switch. All that is an intermediate signal. So if we pop that switch out, you can jump it to see if we can get it operational with like a
Gotcha.
screwdriver.
Yeah, yeah.
You can like, you know.
Yeah, let's do that.
It fires up. Oh, yo, hey, hand me that, the screwdriver, or the drill. I wonder if this just pops out. That would be the freaking dream. It just pushes in and pops out. I know, it's like boat yoga.
Screwdriver.
Oh, I gotta put the fuse back in. That could be a problem too. I forgot about the fuse. You
Oh,
changed
yeah.
the fuse?
No, I did not change the fuse.
No, we'll get it dialed in. I wonder if anything on that board is extra, or we could just swap it from a different one.
Sure. The auxiliary one that we don't use.
When did this start not working?
Oh!
There we go.
It's the fuse.
Yeah, fuse is bad.
Dog.
Yeah, so
Wait,
check
can you grab one from the auxiliary slot that didn't
Yeah,
work?
yeah, so here, check this out.
Yeah.
So dude, I just did this. And then touched them.
Sweet.
And that completes the circuit.
Yep. Our girl was twerking on the front. Fell in
Oh yeah, I saw
yeah?
that. That wasn't your Duffy, was it?
No.
I thought you were like, yo, that was my Duff.
It would have been classic.
Watch it.
I know, that was unqualified captain. I mentioned that to them and they're like, dude, what the hell is that? I'm like, bro, the guy is like the one.
That's so funny. So, I got it back. The stuff is like hidden by the bumper, so you can't really see it that bad.
Dude, I'm a big proponent of no scratches, dude.
Yes, I couldn't agree more.
Ever,
Smidge.
does it ever, so you know what's weird?
Maybe when you unplug it, it moves.
Yeah, maybe a little bit, but I never.
No, dude. You know what's weird is this thing I think is supposed to be at E. It's supposed to be at E when the key's off.
Really?
And then the key is what kicks it in, kind of like a car. You know how your car gauge is at E and then when you turn it on, you give it power? Yeah, so that means this
gotta
thing's
be
busted.
Good.
Take a picture of that and text it to me and I'll talk to Gavin and
Okay.
see what it costs to swap it.
Okay.
That should be easy.
Yeah.
So you just pop this off
Exactly,
and
yeah.
just swap it out.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'll do that.
Cool. All right, bro.
Thank you
Nice
so
to meet
much.
you.
All right,
Madam?
it was nice to meet you.
Don't
as well.
harass him too hard for the
Try
fuse
not
thing.
to.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thank you.
bro.
Talk to you guys later.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Take care.
Oh, here you go. You just gotta put this. They can at least use good Velcro. All right, guys.
See ya.
Later. Trap Quad. Another satisfied customer.